Choosing between the DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mini 4 Pro can feel like standing at a crossroads. Both are packed with tech, both are amazing in the sky, but which one actually fits your flying style in this exact year? Let's dive deep into design, camera, safety, battery, and price, and by the end, you'll know exactly which drone deserves your bag space. Design and portability. The Mini 4 Pro is a travel champion. At just 249 grams, it slides under the regulatory radar in many countries. Toss it in your backpack, skip the paperwork, and you're ready to fly. The Air 3S? Heavier, around 724 grams, which means more paperwork and certifications in places like the US or EU. But that weight isn't a weakness. It brings a tougher build, better wind resistance, and stability when conditions get rough. Camera performance. If visuals are your top priority, the Air 3S takes the crown. It rocks a dual camera system, a wide-angle 1-inch sensor, a medium telephoto lens. Both shoot 10-bit 4K at 60 frames per second, and the larger sensor crushes low-light shots. Slow motion, 120 frames per second, silky smooth. The Mini 4 Pro holds its ground though. Its 1 of a 1.3-inch sensor is no joke, offering sharp 4K at 60 frames per second and 120 frames per second in slow motion too. It might not have the dual camera flexibility, but friendly casual creators, it's more than enough to deliver stunning footage. Safety and obstacle avoidance. Flying safe isn't optional. Both drones feature DJI's GPS-based return to home and obstacle avoidance. But the Air 3S levels up with laser-powered sensors, boosting obstacle detection in low light and tricky environments. Think of it as a sixth sense in the air. The Mini 4 Pro also has omnidirectional avoidance, which is incredible for its size. But in strong winds or complex terrains, the Air 3S feels more secure. Flight time. Air 3S, up to 45 minutes in ideal conditions. Real world? Closer to 40, still excellent. Add the Fly More combo and you're in the air for ages. Mini 4 Pro, about 34 minutes on a standard battery. Want more? The Intelligent Flight Battery Plus stretches it to 46 minutes, but that bumps it over 249 grams, erasing its no registration advantage, so it's a trade-off. Price and value. Mini 4 Pro is wallet-friendly, starting around $759 and topping near $959 with the RCN2 controller. Air 3S, on the other hand, starts near $1,099 and can climb to about $1,599 with the Fly More combo. That's a big difference. But remember, you're paying for pro-level features, dual cameras, extended flight time, and advanced safety. So, which should you choose? For beginners, travelers, and casual flyers who want simplicity, portability, and freedom from regulations, Mini 4 Pro is unbeatable. For professionals, creators, and those who want maximum image quality, stability, and advanced shooting tools, the Air 3S is the smarter investment. Both are winners. The choice depends on how you fly and what you create. I've linked both drones below from trusted sellers. Check the latest prices, grab the one that matches your needs, and get ready to capture the skies.